Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked, how is the number e defined? So we were looking at exponential functions, right? Of the general shape, something like this, right? So this is for bases that are greater than 1. And in particular, looking for the slope of the tangent line at the point 0, 1. And what was found is that for any particular base you put in, right? So this is y equals b to the x, right? For some b, every one has a different tangent line slope. And what was found was there was a value for which the slope of the tangent line to y equals b to the x at the point 0, 1, which is on all of these points in this, all of these functions in this family, because no matter what b is, if b to the 0 power is calculated, it's equal to 1. So they all go through this point, and the slope of the tangent line to y equals b to the x at 0, 1 is equal to 1 if b is equal to e, this function. Sorry, this value. What is an approximate value of e? Well, e is roughly 2.7. It's not super important for actual calculations, but it's helpful to know roughly it's 2.7. And c, what is the natural exponential function? It's this function we're talking about right here, which is defined as the slope of the tangent line being 1 for an exponential function. It's f of x is equal to e to the x. This is the natural exponential function given by this definition for an e, which is approximately 2.7.